It's that time of year again, where we take stock of life and set those goals to do better. While we're out here writing down things like lose weight and make it through Januworry, Shona Ferguson has taken goals to a whole new level. Mzansi's power couple, Connie and Shona, have given fans a glimpse of their mansion, but for the first, we've got to see a full view. And damn, this right here is levels on levels. Shona also threw in his car collection for good measure and thanked God for the blessings. "I give praise and glory to your name, Lord. Thank you for the gift of life. Thank you for another year." Please subscribe our channel for more hot news and comment if you want to know something news.